Understanding the IS or 1S error code on an LG refrigerator. LG makes it easy to diagnose problems with your refrigerator should you run into any issues. If an issue occurs, the refrigerator is programmed to communicate diagnostic messages, displayed as codes, that can assist you or a technician in getting the unit back to optimum performance. If you are seeing an IS or 1S error code on your LG refrigerator's display panel, this indicates a failed or disconnected ice maker sensor. For this particular error code, unfortunately, there are no troubleshooting steps that can be performed by the owner to resolve the issue. The refrigerator will require a repair service. Please visit our Request a Repair page to arrange for a technician visit. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.